ਅਲਬਰਟਾ ਦੀ ਚੀਫ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਅਧਿਕਾਰੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਡੀਨਾ ਹਿੰਚਾ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੋਮਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੇਸਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਘਟ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰ 3 ਮੌਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 2 ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੋਮਸ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਸਨ ਅਤੇ 27 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ 776 ਐਕਟਿਵ ਕੇਸ ਸਨ, ਪਰ ਫਰਵਰੀ ਤੱਕ ਸਿਰਫ 63 ਐਕਟਿਵ ਕੇਸ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੋਮਸ ਅਤੇ ਅਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਨ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਊਟਬ੍ਰੇਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਮੀ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ। 16 ਫਰਵਰੀ ਤੱਕ ਮਹਿਜ਼ 5 ਆਊਟਬ੍ਰੇਕਸ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੋਮਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇ।
Today is the 174th time that I have joined you to provide an update on COVID-19, and I want it to be a little different. Over the last 11 months, my updates have focused on providing the latest COVID-19 data and trends, as well as my updates on the work underway to protect public health. Each day I've focused on the challenges we face, and rightly so. It is important that we all understand the dangers we face and the importance of being cautious and vigilant. However, it is also important to highlight when there are reasons for hope. We must celebrate good news when we can, if only as a reminder that the sacrifices of so many are making a difference. That is why today I want to talk about some positive trends that we have together contributed to in our province. To help make this clear, I will use a few charts today. This is not my usual approach, but I think these graphs may help show why I think these trends are worth sharing. First, let's start with long-term care. As you know, residents in long-term care facilities have among the highest risks of severe outcomes from this virus. 2 out of every 3 deaths have been in a long-term care or designated supportive living facility. Over the last few months, we have seen a sharp decline in our long-term care cases. As this graph shows, we have gone from a high of 776 active cases in long-term care on December 27th to 63 active cases on February 20th, a 92% decline in less than 2 months. Similarly, the number of long-term care outbreaks with active cases has dropped from 74 on December 20th to just 5 on February 16th. Every one of us should take pride in this turnaround, as it is the result of not only our immunization campaign, but also of our collective efforts to bring our new case numbers down. The same steep decline is seen in designated supportive living facilities. On Christmas Day, we reached a peak of more than 1,300 active cases in these settings. Over the last 7 weeks, cases in these facilities have declined by 88%. These emphasize for us both that the public health measures have worked and that vaccines can have a tremendous protective effect for those who are most at risk. I want to thank the staff and residents in those continuing care and designated supportive living facilities for all of their work. I also know that over the past many months, we have also seen some concerning outbreaks in our hospitals, as well as a significant rise in the number of Albertans needing hospital care for COVID-19. Together, we have brought those numbers down as well, and both outbreaks in acute care and cases needing hospital admissions have declined, thanks to prevention of transmission in the community.